also you freeze, you know, so a bit more hot boy at this freeze. I come back paradise here. They come and say, yeah, you see a coffee. And the case is all my criminal cases in there. That be the you know.
One more my bubble here, our Ghana hanging on the back of me. The air company say, I buy your interest and say, or back will be our bubble here or back now. Back of me, I send my air cost on air. Yeah, now me, they are Attorney General Air Cannon. Share. Emanese sana no o dia mo pese mu kucha ma Wuntumi amonka na na busuafo ye fa ne mramu na afa dia mo pese mu ye no bia Ghana ha wa anye bosia e dia na abaye na ban Ghana na nkasa aban ye Ghana nkasa no ye nika bebre ye mo bosia bebre
chama Wuntumi ne ntare no o mo dia ba ana tofo no wato
awasa ko o mo dia ba na mo dia no Omudia bu fiera to amini mu bi ena odia ku ne car ni boot o ja tie etu be bi te ba Wuntumi car boot no car ni gu ho because so nim ba bi o mo de call ye nti won tim fam gu enko ni fie ade e ko so de me hu bi ta
edi bajo
mama 31st obekọ asori a won sire bo ni fache pa
Abusia Enra Attorney General Babonten ebe press conference at the chairman sign and the press conference nimno na what the chairman Wuntumi 2026 ya yesa kwako romi won sign e de new year ni fi say ensem bi a sign ebobo fata efa no ho ene Exim Bank sika bi a wokwaje ye sika ne nyina eso be 24 billion Ghana cedis na aje enya asem keto a wokwaje ye se wode kwako yefu na so hwehwe mu no na se bibia sa ankoso eno ho nsem na Enra Attorney General no ede bebo o man no na wo chechire mu se ne enema esikwa ne busia ena me no e ka se chairman Wuntumi ne lawyer Ababonten abejese sa ensem no ya wo mo e ka ede fa chairman Wuntumi hu nyina no e ka me se e kwako ye woten hu bi na so court wo nti wo mbekọ na wo de nsem no akwakodina mu e wo court abusia eno chine so law court edenensa eto chairman Wuntumi ne sika na ne bank na ade bi so eno na ne lawyer ya appear akubi e trese wo makwakopie mu e wo court eno nti eyade a wo mo e hye court ne ka se enya ade o betimi ama yoko eyi ne nsa e de free chairman Wuntumi esika wo mo de o mo nsa atoso ene afi Paradise Insurance eno so eye chairman Wuntumi de ne nyina no court ne trese wo Wuntumi end freeze na eno na lawyer e trese wo mbe sign akọ appeal na busia enye no kwa Paul Yando so ebe bekasai e de fa ne ekoso e wo chairman Wuntumi ho sense ma wo trese sabre kwa de chairman Wuntumi ne yenu mienu nyina wo mo class e kwa mu no sabre yoko age cast ne nyina e de free nsem eti wono de wo ne se ne ekoso e wo chairman Wuntumi ababom ne kame se NDC for no se yekumbi ane won person ku chairman Wuntumi ne wo mo kan na kabusua no e fa chairman Wuntumi e konkoshe wo mo nsa e too much GHS ne let's say me subscribe to so ya no wakai so the bell no be kan so no upload ni to the first person ya wo nsa ebidika kabusua ma yenko ni yenko tie nchemu a chairman Wuntumi ne lawyer e de bae na ansa na ne ebidika ahwe press conference ya Attorney General no eye wi a ye tie chairman Wuntumi ne lawyer
took out invoice and replace it with receipt to deceive Exim Bank that he had actually purchased the equipment. Investigations established that Chairman Wuntumi did not purchase any equipment and as such could not register any equipment in the joint names of Exim Bank and Wuntumi Farms Limited as per the loan conditions, even though funds were disbursed to him to that effect. That all the equipment he claimed he purchased could not be traced. Investigations established that though Chairman Wuntumi submitted the forged receipt to Exim Bank, he stated during interrogation that he purchased second-hand brand new, whatever that means, second-hand brand new equipment, and that the receipts of all the purchases, including the documents on the equipment, were all sent to Exim Bank. However, Exim Bank has confirmed that neither Chairman Wuntumi nor Wuntumi Farms Limited submitted any documents covering the purchase of the required equipment except the forged receipts. In fact, when our investigators went to the ground, they realized that there were some obsolete, decrepit machines on the side, tractors dating back that were manufactured in the 1970s, and that were not functioning, were the ones that had been placed on the farm. So this was definitely a grand scheme designed to defraud Exim Bank. It is clear from our investigation that Chairman Wuntumi and his company, Wuntumi Farms Limited, made fraudulent misrepresentations to Exim Bank with a view to obtaining the loan facility, and in fact did obtain the loan facility. The equipment they represented were to be purchased were never procured. The farming enterprise never materialized, and so no young persons were employed in Asada Nkwanta in the Ashanti region. But more importantly, the company and its director and CEO forged a receipt in order to deceive Exim Bank that they were in compliance with the loan conditions. These are not mere breaches of a contract, but constitute acts of criminality by no mean a person than the regional chairman of the then ruling party. In the circumstances and the face of the evidence we have gathered in this investigation, thoroughly conducted by the Economic and Organized Crime Office, we have made the decision to prosecute Wuntumi Farms and its directors with defrauding by false pretenses, forgery, and causing financial loss to the state in the sum of 24,255,735 Ghana cedis. This figure represents the principal sum plus the interest that has accrued so far. And ladies and gentlemen, by the time we file charges, which will be definitely after the Christmas break when we resume work, it might be that this figure would have increased because the interest on the principal keeps compounding. And so we will get the exact figure of the amount that is involved in this, criminal enterprise from the Exim Bank before we file charges in court. Ladies and gentlemen, in the case involving Mr. Percival Apalu of the Liberal Party of Ghana, the Financial Intelligence Center flagged and filed a suspicious transaction report with First Bank Ghana Limited regarding transactions on an account belonging to Proma Universal Ghana Limited. That is a company owned by the said Kofi Apalu. Following the STR, that is a suspicious transaction report by the FIC, the Economic and Organized Crime began an investigation into the matter. The investigations revealed that Proma Universal Ghana Limited, a business entity owned entirely by a lady called Ekua Proma, was the legitimate contractor that was awarded a feeder rules contract by COCOBOT. The contract, which was valued at 29.5 million Ghana cedis, was awarded in December 2020. Although the project commenced and an initial amount was properly deposited into Proma Universal Ghana Limited, subsequent payments raised serious concerns regarding misrepresentation, forgery, and unauthorized handling of the checks. Our investigations revealed that Apalu secretly incorporated another company, separate and distinct from Proma Universal Ghana Limited, also known as Proma Universal Ghana Limited, but deliberately added H to the Proma. So Proma is P-O-M-A-A, all right, Ghana Limited, which is a company which is owned by Ekua Proma. What the company that he incorporated added H to the Proma, so it became, I don't know how to pronounce it, but the same Proma Ghana Limited, Universal Ghana Limited. But the difference was just the H at the end of Proma. And so after having done this, between December 2022 and June 2024, Apalu collected 8 checks issued by COCOBOT in the name of Proma Universal Ghana Limited. That is the original and authentic Proma, totaling 3.1 million. That is 3,169,432 Ghana cedis and 22 pesos, and deposited them into the account of his own company, that is also Proma Ghana Limited with an H at First Bank Ghana Limited. Again, our investigations confirmed that Ekua Proma was unaware of both the existence of the Proma Ghana Limited, that is the second company, and the diversion of the funds until COCOBOT contacted her in June 2024 regarding outstanding balances on the contract. she subsequently discovered that Akpaloo had collected and misdirected the payments without her consent. Ekuapoma also alleged that Akpaloo forged her signature on the cocoa board contract using her former name, Mercy Owusu, to secure the agreement without her authorization. First Bank Ghana Limited conducted an internal investigations and corroborated the fraud allegations that we have made, concluding that Akpaloo knowingly misrepresented ownership of the checks and deposited them into the wrong account. The bank acknowledged operational failures in detecting the discrepancies between the check payee names and the account numbers. The suspects who have been investigated are Percival Kofi Akpaloo, Poma Ghana Limited, the Poma with the H, and Delvin Akpaloo, his wife. That is the spouse of Kofi Akpaloo. It's fast becoming fashionable to commit crimes with spouses these days. The evidence shows that they engage in various criminal offenses, including stealing, forgery, and money laundering. And they will be charged by my office again, as I said, upon resumption of work after the Christmas holidays. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the media, further to the update that I provided during my press conference to announce the conclusion of investigations into the Buffer Stock scandal, my office continues to work with other institutions of state to bring charges in relation to the oral investigation reports submitted by the National Intelligence Bureau. As you would have known by now, pursuant to discussions with the Auditor General, the sums of money involved in the NASA service scandal have been disallowed by the Auditor General, and these sums have been surcharged on the public officers who superintended the looting of state resources at the NSA. The notices of disallowance and surcharge have been duly issued and served on the said public officers. After 14 days, if they fail to show cause why the sums of money should not be disallowed and surcharged on them, the money becomes a debt due and owing to the Republic. And I will proceed to take civil action to recover the sums involved. Once a judgment is obtained, it will be executed using the civil procedure mechanisms, including the attachment of properties they own, whether or not these properties were part of the process of crime. I intend to write formally to the Auditor General for confirmation of the notices of disallowance and surcharge. So I want to send a message to all public officers who are superintending the expenditure of state funds, that from now onwards, when you are charged with the offense of causing financial loss to the state, even though with respect to that offense, we don't need to show that you have in any way benefited from the transaction that either intentionally or recklessly caused financial loss to the state. We will begin the process of surcharging all public officers who have caused financial loss to the state. So in addition to the criminal charges which will be filed, we will ask the Auditor General to disallow and surcharge the sums of money lost to the state on the public officers. Now note, ladies and gentlemen of the media, I do not need to prove your guilt in a criminal matter, all right, in order to be able to succeed in the surcharge and disallowance, because that is a civil matter. It's proved on the basis on the balance of probabilities. So if you in any way recklessly or negligently cause financial loss to the state, all right, the surcharge and disallowance will be the mechanism that we will use to recover all the money that has been lost to the state from you. And so I'm serving notice to all public officers who are especially spending officers. Those are the ones who authorize spending on behalf of the Republic, that in situations where your conduct results either intentionally or recklessly in financial loss to the state, I will be, in addition to bringing criminal charges, asking the Auditor General to disallow the sums and surcharge those sums on the public officers involved. Now, overall, ladies and gentlemen, the oral investigations are proceeding well, and we continue to beef up initial investigative reports in order to file charges that meet the standards of proof in criminal trials. I want to also make it clear that the Office of the Attorney General depends on a number of state institutions for information that will lead to filing of charges in court. Apart from investigations conducted by the economic and by either the Economic and Organized Crime Office or the National Intelligence Bureau, sometimes we need agencies such as the Ghana Revenue Authority, for instance, to confirm if, for instance, tax evasion has taken place before we can go on to file charges. So when these state institutions delay, it also brings, some amount of delay to the filing of charges. So I'm also calling upon all the state institutions that 2026 is going to be a different year. If I make demands on you and you delay, I will take the view that you are complicit in the offense that has been committed, and I'll come after you. So all state institutions that have information that is required to file criminal proceedings should not should not delay in providing that information to my office for purposes of the conduct of prosecutions.
It's abusia Attorney General the press conference ya wo ye no na yakwa koti e dia na no achi na wo OKFM aba na kwa menkuma tikese atena se e wo ade achi bia dwumadi no so no ya ede ma chairman Wuntumi edi nkomo no so ede ensem sei etudwa
na anano mu court say ebe yanka chairman Wuntumi court de nsa toto na account bebre so enka wo munye bi mu ma no sabi na wano so wonti mane yire makonhoma no ne ade eno court na mpre ye fa nkoma yi free wo na court ni gina se edi enti na wo se wo mpre e ma sa account no ye ndi free emfa ma chama Wuntumi
court no ese ye court se emrano a ma omu kwan ma omodi nsato chama Wuntumi account so no emrano kire se wodi nsato na account so na court eko confirm a esese obo nipakura wode wode certain accounts so na money within 7 days. Now in this case the amount media no almost so no almost more than money within the 7 days no anything you gina so the court no and the court no any ya gina say almost money within 7 days no anything almost for me name we so no so it's within 14 days no say mobile mania mobile mania within 14 days no it me back court and back challenge say yes and future and otherwise and yes so sad men everything and to me am court in term within 14 days no yet you know na anything court no ni anya dwen say yi inside free account no so and move there me instructions from the client to say you go appeal on that say whether or not say ABC day yaboya mania na what constitutes notice say yen kasa ye ko obi ka che na notice and say after the law no the requirement of notice no said the service of a court process if you are prepared you be call appeal or home say you say brano yen chire a court chire say say court you know confirm freeze you know na several notice within 14 days sabe ya ka say yen several Paradise Insurance any such official notice and no court in say
I opening bajo Paradise Insurance no chama Wuntumi dia the company
chama Wuntumi company and say anumaka say go wasumu a enu na say notice no na say court counter the be show no any notice no and you know the be ko ho appeal na ya hwede emra me kire say kwame sɛ ne menu ka sɛ enyina no court no ɛde ɛma wɔ fa ɛpo ya adwene mu no ebi sɛ saa notice no a ehia sɛ ɔmo de ma yɛn no a ɛyɛ court notice no yɛn nsa nkan eti no sɛ yɛba court a the court no say yɛ out of time a na yɛn yɛ adwene yɛ time starts running upon service of notice on us which has not happened ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔn mu abɔnten na ati nkurɔfoɔ ɛyɛ kasa na wɔde ho application based on that no the court will determine say when does time start to run.
Okay, chairman na mamisa die we Wuntumi saa private insurance account no court no reasoning na odi freeze ye per the attorney republic no edi to dwa no ene de ben say wo yusu ebi a private insurance no edi di dwuma bi ana say case na wo na wo de afa so freeze
no so you freeze you know so e bi mo hon mo ya freeze na akaba ku ya paradise here he come as them say ya just say ko appeal and the case is on my criminal cases in there that be the you know can say to you that the maybe fast account
I see na enya na nkofo won se ese chama Wuntumi case yi ese kontam dodo neyi na watwe bia na ese mo aba na mo kwa na mo aba na mo kwa ba na watwe bia mo komienu ni ade 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 more expedite action on the issues na
that you the court the down me say mra court bia edeba ne mo majuma na ebe no ho ni de ene de ogina kwaduboni no so ene yenya yi ya no so enti say de court no schedule no de yeni hu to me say because yam kore de bia na ye kon na ochi enti o mo fe ya ye beba ndi mo ti de na mo ejuma na de ho ni de yen ni ho prepare bia de exam de ni de kwadia ni emre bia ehia ayi no court no mana mai ta no andi de ejuma na pe yeah, the best state court rule to be able to prosecute on Russia that you employ your best resources and your best strategies against the afternoon. And then the official said, about the president. If you are sending me, it's me, shut down. You make me a prosecutor. Another prosecution and almost I stand out almost a problem witness statement. The commission, am I a case? I pay the other party prosecution. Prosecutor, not the first witness, taking up on the 12th of January. Nothing, I shall say if you offer.
Now, I want to say, Chama Wuntumi, the former general manager na wono no eje se ote ase se obey prosecution witness and na say prosecution yi no se o may prosecution witness sade no eye monwa nipa bebre se da bi ekokon wa yi wura ma sade no eye monwa
monwa se ba sa na mom na ye o na mo ye so na mo nyina na ye ni ide every ejini ni se atoni je na susu from na mo bi se because we need to see the China or the Korea that's no. Then you need the pasa and the no. Not the ability that I never want to be. Then who is that? Orano. I get me and to me in the company is not Amma. And so I'm not what I think say. We are Cornwall, you know, to this fact. Accused person, prosecution witness. No, it's someone who come home. That should be a key for the amount of so. Anya, it's anti beba so make refer they do sabre me dey what can dia refer admission dey what can say we kwa jibonia e ho hia movie take you know e ho hia take movie express wa just to jibonia dia any ya was a table coordinated and you know if you here you then the say aha wa so ofi ha na enye no nyema wa ye bia no wona wa ye na wona o se wa ye no actually da woni mu hwe o edure ko ni
mi wura ma me na wase ya na ade me nchi aso ama no
yo me fi da wase bi
na sese dia o chama Wuntumi enura na anu ada na account wa ye freeze Paramount Paradise Insurance account company account ye freeze na na anu ba akokọ se ye mfama no ye se ye mfama no na mikro mi busa se ne ye di obeda ba akoma se ye kan no se enwie ye no enura Exim Bank de ye se wakoye dwim ni kata asehye ye sa de abebo no nan enura kwa de me so da me se akase ye beka se onua ni Judas Iscariot de oyi Yesu ma ye no de no kra ye bedi ho asem uhu de akoso ye to sei
hello brother
uhu de akoso ye to sei se kra no Exim Bank afu okodo ye anye yie no ni hu sensem nyina no ese ye pagya Wuntumi aye fojire
yo brother me dase ne mom de me afi mu nyina no da kete pa na dibe mawo ene okay adwumayefo but senia asemu to chairman no dia mo beya no waye ifa dia beya no waye anamo bia obetu bia no watue so be ma mansa nyina ti ensem ya agwako sem o ti ase enkanchia ene asemu a yedidi obi a ofi se asemu we die enye ne kwanso ana oka na no kra de yakika ni nyina no ba ko esa be ka ho ansa na Exim Bank di ebeba ne se wani tua se ba kwa me ne yiri mu ye mienu o ma frɛ emai na wo mu kasi nyina firi wo mu ntem o ba be si o ware chema Wuntumi na ya frɛ wo mu agye wo mu ka se omu ware chema Wuntumi enti mai mienu nyina ba kwa me wo mu ne na fom sesei ene se endra ya akoti se attorney general afeje omude fifa mine na hwan wa mine without license and he didn't seek permission from the minister and hwan no maka ni nyina ba kwa me Wuntumi enim se oya mine no afeje sansem ni nyina omude court attorney general de atu baby onim se dia akoduro no oni evidence bia ebetimi aboati achema Wuntumi
Ensabusia afanu ne nsam no na yakwa akoti ande kwakwa no na po yando ebekire se sabra ye kase yenim se yoko chama Wuntumi ne yirinu mienu kase kwam no yoko age e de from nsam adenti a wo mukunu ene chama Wuntumi enti kase wo mu ne ho kwan se wo mu betwi eno na po yando kire se sabra de ne ekos ne kame se eyi wotan hu bi na NDC fo no ede tan chama Wuntumi na anhwe ne ye kwase ne nkwa na wo mu pese mo gidi free ne nsam
ama you know aya na no me hu pe papa me no o tase eti bosi ya bo MTM mo ni nyina no bra kwa me eti no ye de be ko yoko ana se atoni general e ba be frɛ yen wo mo mababo sia e wo Ghana ha nyina no bra kwa me de e ko ba ne se aban ye interested se obekwa akohwehwe obi a wo babo sia wo bank ana bra kwa me asema e ko so no eya na me dia attorney general Kano hwe emanese sana no
yeah angebo Mitio na ahoma na etwi kakra mitio
ai yo o se mu wo program bi ewo UTV o mu fe no ayiko yes na etimi ko akuafo eho akuafo mo bo mu hu modern eho se wo hwa onipa na odi mu no odi emira fini din kakaba kwa me
enim ado no wa
wo ko chema Wuntumi farm eko twabae minim se bra kwa me Wuntumi ehu ya
na fe papa na funu sun
eti enye ade okasi wo kwa akoye no wa kwa ankoye ena se friend say ayiko program na wo UTV no so no eye program aye nyina ya dia tumu se ontimi nko obia fuom abra enye nipa na afuom na obekwa akotwa aba na for years now nipa na mba me kan kire ye se afuom na chema Wuntumi ko gina mu wo ho no enye na afuo na je se Wuntumi afuo ene wakwa akotwa which means ade no okoye ye na bra kwa me esan ewo ho esan ankata ebi wo ho esire mu a da bia ye yetimi ka se ye bia nsuo ama nsuo asɛ farmland yɛnti bebree yɛti sansɛm no bebree nsuo timi ebe twifa yɛma Wuntumi farms no ɛma saa efudie ni nyinaa ɛwɔ ni nyinaa kɔe farm managers no ɔmo wɔ hɔ Exim Bank fɔ no afa wɔ mo bra kwa me ɔmo nyinaa wɔ hɔ obia no di adanse report wɔ wɔ se yɛre bibia no bra kwa me ɔmo nyinaa di adanse sɛ tasam no esiye enti ekoba ne sen ena afraid ye yedi ejina so se waye criminal wom ena okaso koye se bra kwa ensem na dosun modi amu pese mu kucha ma Wuntumi amunka na busuafo yemfa ne mramu na afraid ye amu pese mu ye no bia no ne akika madam payo ye kika funu no ne akika madam payo mo amojide the contract when this moy mo amojide the appointment when this moy mo head ya to chema Wuntumi o awo bia no ayedi na bra kwa me ko na de na no atumu bia wo kama ye no mo head ya to no na Ghana hawa anye bosia e de na abaye na ban Ghana na nkasa aban ya Ghana nkasa no ye nika bebre ye mo bosia bebre eti abaye aye de ana
ayina me kwa de unse da na wo ka se yo bia ye kwadi bu
yes be so inside ye the Wuntumi to no so edie ben na esie enti sa afia ye bewura mi enti President Mahama beba be ma Ghana fo nyina new year message ana obeba be kan asem bia kire Ghana fo se woda yase ene de ekomo wo hie well enti wo hie well ni enti the first night John Mahama ye president into obekwa Assemblies of God sorry and what did ni ashemu innocently asem keke bia to no so enya court na abuo o wachini ni atumu ya
na unka say court
di bronya wo self o say si be di amia Wuntumi adi amia no o say si be so de woni e wadi amia kasa bi se sika de o say si be so do be kaya nyina abomu anya yie
sika na ebe se o mate so
o mo te so ko he enya de boni na ye o mo start ade free 800 na mo de about 600 afedi de amati 120 e de na man ba fom boni amudi entia boni amudi entia abai ma receipt ya yeteso abai se o ma receipt ya yeteso
where ye be conditions
boni na mudia abai ma receipt ya yeteso ade o mo de yo se be bra kwa me enyo enya
na ayi mebo chama Wuntumi ni ntare no o mo de aba ana tofo no wato
wasa o mo de aba amo ti ano o mo de agu fiera to ami ni mo bi ena o de o de agu ne car ni boot o ja tie etu be bi te ba Wuntumi car boot no car ni gu ho because also nimbe bi o mo de call ye want him from enko ni fie enti no ekunika butu be bi na entare nyina sun ho sei taw
ba ko bi ni bubu ni kra ne che ne kra na de na efiri amanfo no
what ya say enti entare ya befa akwa abamu aba de bra kwa me o be na no wate o kai se matia midu yesi ekoto Land Cruiser man no a o mu change tie keke kra wo se tie na ya change no nko anti o mpe
because asem pa
yes eti wuntade a wo hye na da bia odi siesio ene wo che ne wo mpaboa ni abesisa kwa abamu a ya san de wa de abrɛ de Bakwame wo beden wa hye.
Wuntumi share.
Bakwame ade e ko so de me hu bita.
Edi bajo
mama 31st obekọ asori a. Wọ́n ṣe bọ̀ fache pa.
Na ne bajo se
no ya.
Na se wo se we emra na edi wo mu.
Emra ben. Bakwame emra ben court ben na abu Wuntumi fo. Court ben na abu Wuntumi fo. Court ben na ama wo sesibe wo di bronya ewo sales. Court ben na akasa asem no ya aban to me ne ye de kire se ye ne aba ya ba ene ye di ani. Bakwame ye ne aba ne ye di ani enye se ne kan yo enye se na mo kan ye boka 24-hour economy mo manage ase eno na hia eno maburu benya adwuma ye enye Wuntumi ya se no afedi enye galamse biem afedi ye bank botia na hwan na mo botia wo Ghana ha Ghana aban na katakura botia wabo ebinie Ghana aban botia wabo ebinie nti China go ma beti atumu ana yesi amanya wo wi atum nya China fo ne edu omo ka kese o ma beti atum o ma ye de ye Wuntumi bi ahomte
na ayi mami misa ade baako enano na ensem ya wo kan ya ena yesi ayi Kevintela se yesi uti se de be
baba me mantini ye wo se Kevintela se sai
sanano mi video bi a wo kan se san ensem ya na edidi nkomu Kevintela se utiri ho hyen se bibi asade be de be me hu ya menam tumi sa how pa
akwande wa first ni hu so obeduma tem no wadi matem ha first one kra de no asimi ti kusie
uti se de be
wasimi ti se kusie o ya mi ti o he se ni mi ti pa mi ti e ti se kusie ti se de awo ka no
de bi uti nse kusie
ba kokwa wasi be manim ti se Nicaragua afedi finally no finally wasimi tri mu shrem se dagati ni entrofe Bakwame no na me nimbo ni amede no me kan na asem da Bakwame me fama no kwa nto na asem majuma na me ye as communication director wa weji mu matem na me ka ma dwen kire na me kire me didi obi atem me kan na asem ba e bi ekwan a obefa so obekire wa asem no me kire ma asem different ene ne me boni ya wadi ma si table so a da bia wo di matem yo
baako uti se kusie baako wani se Nicaragua ni ana third one ye de empo
wasi mi tiri ho hyremu se dagati ni o ni ntohwe
kafra brame mo ofisi apa na osasi be die ni ye ne den
Bakwame eno anu maka se 24th we me ma me yire aye jollof ni di pedua atoso na media ba na media mautesi be di because na sem no o hwa enhwe dika ye si ye kike kasisi no Bakwame nya sem titwa onyeye wo sika ba otesi be nsem aka obesa kakra Bakwame sika ba ni pansem o sisa kakra o
na wansesa
uhu no a wusre ni sika ni so wo tia mu hia wo tinu wansesa wo hu wa na mitio mitumi nka bibia no wasate bob na hia wo
dabia ni ti
wansesa
na nentari hyem so
nentari hyem so de ni anim na o test be de on se wo ya accountant nti up and down no bia ansesa o test be ansesa ne kala nchenji tu wa nya hwe kasi 2.2 billion de Bakwame bani panse mu anko o change kakra o
na edan so edan bia no sisi edan
baby o tie na no wotie o baby o tie no no ti da semi ya me wonwa baby o tie dibetia no wotie
ni dem nkonya ni the same
onu de ne dem kwa do ma nwura o ba no anu o hia wo abonten so no ata de bina ahia wo
bina no o se de woni bi
eti no ama na asem no aya bibi e wo ho ese ndisi fo no na pese o mo twena so pese ense se ba ni sa Bakwame ense se ba ni sa
Yemfa bibia manyame wa na mo afinhyia pa bibia na e be kasa wa.
Waka ni ye. Bakwa me da wa no ase. Bibia ni ho de be manyame a ensi uye. Yesu otini ni wo hoi na mane doso. Nanso awurade yi no firi ni nyina mu mempaya me kɔbɔ ne 31st. Sɛ abama ne obakwa bokɔ ayire wo ho.
Mate.
Abama ne yire wo papa first no na ye kase ye mbɔ mpaye for abama ne na me didi agro. 31st we de me mfa ni agro bakwa me yire me ho ankata na abama ne bi de akien bi. Wuntumi afu amane
a. Na ayi
ma be su de etwam.
Aha. Na ayi Calvin kan say odidi watem o mai said we dey omonte ana ma ko social media ko hu
why not ye
o ma no
o se ba ko no a wo ka se mi ti se kusie no
ai
ta me mani ko sku am se u ti se kusie ba bra
oh
so ta na no ye de ye me ma no na de mankwara no ye bata so u ti se kusie ba he bra se
oh
u papa ti se kusie na ye de ye me ma no sa eti ha dwen na ma no mo akata say enya me fort me nkoka na asem me nya bibia ntia Kevin enso waye na adwen say obedi matem but enya hwe ite dia waka ne nya bibia ma twedi amponyame ono na odi e ba asase so di ope enye ho
na ayi ekoko a wono no ye chama Wuntumi general manager no wa just obedi adanse atia no na say wani atwa no so.
Oh, say na say kwa me say attorney general na so was dropping no.
Esa
sanfa no enye the principal witness biem. Fi say ono a wo mo say hu bibi ko hu say de be me hu no. Me asem nya ma asem ba kwa me. Hu no.
Man no say no pay.
Me do ase bra kwa me nya me hira papa official pass so enko yi ba de be ni dan.
Ye be ndem kakra why?
Abusia someone na yakwa kotie dia ba na message so beja comment comment section ho e dia ma me Ghana fo bi chese ka me say NDC fi ase che ma Wuntumi nko a na wo modi wo ni esi ne sunte bi chese we na ase we dia akwa political rich hunting e bi so chese da bi ye de chairman Wuntumi scapegoat afei e be yense na ho e dia ma wo mo aka masa ban bi bo say chairman kwa no wo so e wo MPP party me timi de ne farmer kwa so bi ma ne ye de na chine bi so bi kwa kwa bi a wo be ye ahweye nti eye ne emra sene se ebobo no nkwade a ene wabo man ne ka yenje na yemfama wo man we ne nsem a Ghana fo bi message se won so beja wo de e amame all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na afofo so eni bi ahwe dark gold eni mudi macrown